Hello everyone, I hope you are doing really well today. I prepared this hummus recipe for you. I make hummus always from scratch. I tried it from the can maybe 1 or 2 times, but it never comes out as good, so I always use dry chickpeas or dry garbanzo beans to make my hummus. It's really worth it and I really strongly recommend that you try that. So if you are interested how I make this beautifully looking hummus, please watch this video and let me know if you do like it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I highly appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you and enjoy. So first put some chickpeas or garbanzo beans in a pot and let it soak overnight. The next day add 2 cloves of garlic into the pot together with half an onion. And I have 1 cup of garbanzo beans in the pot. We're gonna cook the garbanzo beans until they are soft. So the garbanzo beans have now been cooking for 30 minutes and I will add some salt. So I have just some fine sea salt and just a little bit of that in the pot. It's better to have a little bit less than more because you can always add some at the end when you're blending it together. Better actually to taste the water once you add the salt to see how salty it is. If you think it's a little too much, you can always add a little bit more water into the pot. Now I've been cooking the garbanzo beans for an hour and they're still not soft. So I added another half an hour to the timer and we'll test it in half an hour. One important thing to mention when I'm boiling or cooking garbanzo beans, I always set the timer on. I set it for maybe 30 minutes each time and I check the amount of water just to be sure that the water doesn't boil out, because then the garbanzo beans can start burning from the bottom. You can also prepare water in your kettle and boil it. If you see that the amount of water is decreasing, just add more boiling water into the pot. The chickpeas are fully cooked now. Taste it, see that it's really soft, then it's ready to make the hummus. And separate the water, drain the water, keep the onions and the garlic in, and also put several spare, like a small bowl of the chickpeas on the side for now. And we're going to blend everything together now. First I will start with putting a small clove of fresh garlic into the bowl and blend it. Add the chickpeas. Add 2 tablespoons of tahini sauce. I have some fresh lemon juice here, so I will add 3 spoons. Now add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And 1 teaspoon of ground cumin seeds. And we're gonna blend it together now. We will add the juice a little bit later when we see the consistency. So now I'm gonna slowly add the liquid and continue blending. Now the hummus is ready, so I'll just transfer it into a bowl. I will put some of the chickpeas on top. I will add a little bit of olive oil. And I also like adding some coriander or parsley on top. And here you go. And this is my hummus. I hope you try this recipe. It's really worth it making it from scratch yourself. And if you do, please let me know how it came out and how you enjoyed it. If you do like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care. We could go somewhere else here. Canned beans. Please. Just stop it. Let's